And oh, beep, beep. Hi, in this video I will sew a top with ruffles, this top. And also I will tell you how to work with dense fabric, like this. It is denim, soft but still denim, because unfortunately you can't make ruffles with two straight stitches. I had this piece of material left after sewing a corset. Just this shape, and I thought I should sew it. I used the ruffles as a decoration. I cut strips 3 cm wide from all that I see, no more than 1.5 meters. Sew the strips together and overlock. All the edges are finished on the overlock, for the purpose of saving material. You can fold it or use binding or maybe double top to make with closed edges, if you don't like how overlock stitch looks like. You know, today it is a little capricious. I decided to make dots. Without them, dense fabric doesn't fit to the body, especially on the side. The width of the dot 1 cm and high 5. At the top of the dot, threads tie on 2 knots and hide the loose ends on the layers of material. You can put the lower thread of your sewing machine through the needle, so that the dot was without a knot at the top. I usually do this on thin fabrics. So, ruffles. I take a cord, any cord will do, even thread for knitting, but not very fluffy, and sew it zigzag with 5 mm length too. Make sure that the cord is exactly in the center of the zigzag, it doesn't fall under the needle. And pull the cord. It is really easy. I try on the ruffles and sew them with a straight stitch below the cord. Now you can pull out the cord. I have all the seam allowances on the front side. I will fix them once again with a straight stitch, of course, and then I will close everything with a binding of the same material. And also I use this material for the front part of the straps. I like to divide the straps into 2 parts. The front is beautiful, made of any material and non-functional. The back with an adjuster and usually elastic. I make a strap in the front as wide as my elastic and sew them together. I sew all the small elements on the straps with a zigzag. I overlap the seam allowances under the breast with a 2-step. Put half rings and adjuster. That is it. Cute top is ready. At the back, it is simply tied. For summer, perfect. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Bye!